Hi friends, I am Ashwini. Today I am explaining about the ppm. First we are going to the modulation. The basic definition of the modulation is the systematic alteration of the carrier wave varied in accordance with the message signal. Or modulation is a process in which the characteristics of the carrier wave varied in accordance with the message signal. Modulation will be classified into two types: continuous wave modulation and pulse modulation. Continuous wave modulation is also called analog modulation. Pulse modulation is also called digital modulation or discrete modulation. Continuous modulation will be again classified into two types: amplitude modulation and angle modulation. Angle modulation will be subdivided into frequency modulation and phase modulation. Pulse modulation will be divided into two types: digital modulation and analog modulation. Digital modulation will be divided into pulse code modulation and delta modulation. Analog modulation will be divided into three types: PAM and PWM and PPM. This is the modulating signal x of t. This is also called message signal. This is the PAM signal, in which amplitude of the pulse varied in accordance with the amplitude of the message signal of sampling instant. This is the PWM signal. PWM means pulse width modulation, in which width of the pulse varied in accordance with the amplitude of the message signal of sampling instant. This is the PPM signal. PPM means pulse position modulation. In PPM means pulse position modulation, in which the position of the pulse varied in accordance with the amplitude of the modulating signal of sampling instant, in which width and amplitude are constants. These are the various pulse modulation methods. It is a generation of PPM and PWM. The black diagram shows the scheme to generate PWM and PPM. The waveforms are shown in figure B. This is the comparator. X of t modulating signal is applied to the non-inverting terminal. SAR2 generate signal is applied to the inverting terminal. This is the monostable. The output of the comparator is PWM. This is the PPM. The SAR2 generator generates the SAR2 signal of frequency Fs, that is the time period Ts. The SAR2 signal is also called sampling signal, is applied to the inverting input of the comparator. PDM or PWM signal is nothing but output of the comparator. The amplitude of this PDM or PWM signal will be positive saturation of the comparator. These are the waveforms of the PWM signal and PPM signal. This is the modulating signal x of t. This is the triangular waveforms. To generate PPM, PDM signal is used as the trigger input to one monostable multivibrator. Monostable means one is stable state and another one is unstable state. Multi means more number of, vibrator means oscillations. The monostable output remains 0 until it is triggered. The monostable is triggered on the falling edge of PDM. The output of monostable then switches to positive saturation level A. This voltage remains high for the fixed period, then goes low